Let's have a surf fly. Hi! Just came back from gym and now we are heading out to buy some potato, onions. We're gonna head out and buy with my roommate. We are back from buying groceries. It's drizzling and I am vlogging because the weather is so cool out here. Very nice weather. Let's go. We are on our way to trim our hair. June as well, she wants to trim our hair. So two of us will go into salon and then we'll buy some stuff. Let's go. Come on. This is the final looks. Final looks. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da-da.
Sakta semudra tuh.
Mau ini Chan. Miloski favorite. One of my favorite character is Chan. Waiting for our ordered boba tea and then you won't believe the business they did here is crazy. This is like the full size from sea and the ice is just full. They gave us full ice. Finished done. And it's actually a boba tea and I didn't even get a single boba. At least she got at least 5 food, right? I didn't get any. How did I see? Guys, we have reached home and now we are going out. Now it's like 6 p.m. right? 6:30 and we are going out for swimming.
Let's go.
Come along with us, guys. Yay! So we have two pools. One is this side. This one. We usually go for swimming this side, but today we'll be going the other side. That will be family swimming pool where kids and families they swim. Me Amra. I just let them see the view. So this is the one, as you can see. This is especially for families. We can also swim, but a lot of children are here. So yeah. See. So for us ladies, we need some privacy. So we will go and swim this side. This side lah. Usually the view is always so pretty here, but you will not be able to see the sunset is this side, but it's blocked by this building. So we will be swimming here. Aura. Let's put this on. Chlorine water is not good for your hair, good ladies. and gentlemen. So it's good to okay, ready. Oh my god. कार्टून वाले हैं कार्टून वाले हैं बस सब तो ini nasi deh
Hindi.
ay nagkuwi ko pagiro sama-sama
Hoy.
lot of cardio for today, right? Tumbakan mo nga doon ito. Let's go back. The night view is so pretty here actually. Oh, I'll show you the view from the 5th floor. This is the view from 5th floor. Highway, airport highway, I guess. This one, yeah. And here is place where we are right now. So guys, I'm moving out for my flight, and this is my uniform. I am so excited to operate my first solo flight to Delhi, and I am getting there for 24 hours of layover, and I'm meeting my sister and my brother, and I'm so excited to meet them as well. I am meeting them after like 4 months. So yeah, I am so lucky to get my first layover, my first solo flight in Delhi. Hopefully it will be a safe flight, and see you guys in once I reach there. Bye bye. Finally reached my hotel. Done and dusted. Let's see the view. It's already dark, so I'm not sure whether you can see the view. So this is it. Finally, she's here. My sister is here. Finally. Finally after 5 months. कैसा लगा 5-star hotel आ गए? First time. Anyways, we are going to our room now. Mika, नहीं वो वाला Mika ये दूसरा कुछ नहीं premium. Thank you, Didi. So now we are heading out once we are done. Because I told her to come here because you know I forgot to bring my slippers to go out. So I cannot wear this slipper and go, so I just told her to bring my outwear slippers, and we are heading out together. And we are meeting my brother as well. He's coming later because we are going to Sarojini Market now, and right after we're done doing some shopping, we're gonna go ahead with our lunch or dinner, whatever it's called. We're gonna have together at Safdarjung. So guys, let's go.
Sarojini जा रहे हैं अभी.
So hot. Heading back because it's so hot out here. बहुत गर्मी. We can't do shopping properly because of the weather. It's too hot. Heading back.
मैंने पूछो એટલે તો પૂછો.
Hello, how are you?
Good. What about you?
I'm good, brother. You vlog the yogurt. Alright, thank you. Chala. Good. Chắc khăn nhảy chụp cùng forensics vậy đó.
Evening.
Then-
Alone?
No, my brother and sister all waiting here. We're gonna have dinner together. Join now.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Carbo.
Careful.
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Oh, change tune. Thank you, Hermano. Hello, you want to know?
Đi vòng nòng không? Ba. Chắc chắn nó không lên nổi đâu. Sai.
Avoid yang lain colorful cut low hijack below. My brother said my mother is just complaining because his shirt is too old. Bigari buying one shirt for him. Mother told you to buy a colorful one, not the dull one. What do you want to say to your sister?
Just want to say thank you.
Okay, welcome. What about you? Thank you. Guys, we're heading back home. Can't say goodbye. Goodbye. Say goodbye.
Hello,
My vlog.
bye.
Wait. Say bye to my vlog.
Bye.
See you again in my next vlog. Okay.
See you next time.
See you next time. Alright. Heading back to hotel, and we are departing from this very place. And see you guys. Bye. Bye. Catch you now. Bye. Catch. Bye. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Done with all my makeups and getting ready to head back to Kuala Lumpur. Bye. Let's have a safe flight. Yes, I just came back and look at the view. Oh my god. I am so lucky. I have the best view ever. Green tea before workout, guys. Cheers. Good shake. Gonna hit my back and tricep today. Let's go. Oh, may pasa rin ka. Yes, ito ka. Pasa ka ko. Oh. Already? I think I'll be eating today alone. Chun tum khro ma le. She just came back from flight and then we had noodles before for lunch and now she slept. She's not going to wake up now. Hee 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 hee. Oh, so good. So guys, this is my dinner for today. Pork, small pork, fried, and then my rice with boiled egg, and sinju, pirup, naga pyas, mimi, YY, all included. Sinju. Aha! A feast. A feast. That's how, guys. Let's try my sinju. Mukbang video. Mukbang vlog. Look at the fats. Okay. My roommate, she will wake up around, now it's 9 p.m. She will wake up around 12. Her timing is just off. Some will be sleeping, some will be eating. Some will be having breakfast now. So guys, I just took bath and wanted to make a quick video about my skincare routine, which I do in my daily routine, in my daily life before I sleep. So yeah, I use on toner. I don't use a night cream because night cream makes my skin sticky before I sleep. So I don't want it to be that way. So I just use toner, a quick simple toner, which is for minimalist. This suits me the best. So I use this, and I pour this toner inside here because this does not have any spray here. So this is easy for me to use to make your life easier. And then I spray. That's it. This is my skincare routine for my daily night routine. And also the lip balm. The next is the lip balm, which I bought this for 400 rupees in Malaysia. Sorry, so expensive. In India, you can get this for around less than 100 rupees. And the last one is my hair. I have been using hairspray a lot this time while going for flights, so it's making my hair so dull. So I have to repair my hair again. So I use this for hair treatment, which is called hair mask for ellipse. This one, it's like a hair oil. So I just have to take it out one each, and then this is the one. Just pour it like this. Yeah. So apply it like you are giving a massage hair oil, and you're good to go. This is it. This makes my hair better. After I started using this hair treatment oil, making my hair smoother, and then the damaged hair is getting better. So yeah, this is it. So guys, this I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. I think I'll end my vlog here, and then I'll go to sleep after some time. Scroll my videos, some videos, edit my videos, and go back to sleep. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to bring more interesting videos, more interesting content. Till then, stay safe, guys. Hope to see you in another vlog. Bye bye.